Hello and welcome to issue 55 of Build Your Own 3D Printer, 3D Create and Print. This is going to be another short video because again we've got this motor here, motor board. This is motor driver board number 3, which will go in that space just there next to motor board driver number 2 and 1, and then this would be week 3 of the motor driver boards, because there's 4 of them. That was with the original tester board. That was last week. One. As I said, this is week 3 of the motor tester board. The motor driver board, shall I say? And then next week was the last week of the motor driver boards. It will be week 4 of them. Okay. So let's have a quick look at the magazine. Number 55. Usual web access code for the design files at the back, which is 950955. Print at the pharmacy. Fancy picking up your prescription pills from a print bed? 3D print is coming to the pharmacy. Made to measure. Tablets in all shapes and sizes could be one day be 3D printed. Tablets to the specific dosage and combination of drugs that you need. So they've done food, now they're doing drugs. Okay. From CAD to pills. FabXR uses CAD software to render tablets, design blue and white images right and far right. Which are then printed on a fused filament printer using drug-loaded polymer filament center. Red and green Raman maps of 2 multi-layered pills showed paracetamol in red and green, caffeine in green. 3D printing drugs may one day overturn the entire pharmaceutical industry. Okay. Building a house part 1. This is for the Blender program. Okay. Subdividing and extruding. More of the Blender program. And this is for the motor driver board 3. See that there's one side where there's only 7 pins, one side there's 8 pins, so it can only go one way. I don't know if you can see that, but there's 3 pins there, 4 pins there, and 8 pins on down there. I think you can see that. This is for the build-up project, for the design files. Single cylinder engine part 2. How to build a single cylinder engine. Large cable clip. We've already printed the clip to tidy narrow wires and cables. This heftier version is ideal for laptop cables and power tools. Desktop gecko. Next issue. Guess what? A motor driver board 4! Hooray! Okay, let's quickly do this then. Remember, this is only go one way. That's 8 pins, 7 pins that side. And you're going to go one way. And just pressing it down. And that's it. And as I keep on saying, the motor driver board just go in that space just there, and then that'd be the end of the motor driver boards. And then there'd be another, not next week, but the week after, there'll be a cable going from there to there, I think. I'm not, either there or there, maybe. I'm not sure where that one goes to, but it would be a thick cable, look something like that cable. Well, that's it. And that's what it looks like so far. Thanks for watching. Bye.